What's up, y'all? So today we'll find out how long it takes me to set up these AllPowers 200-watt portable solar panels. So go ahead and start the timer, flip them open, unzip the back, take the cords out, roll out. One panel, second one, alright, we're gonna hook up these panels. Alright, we head inside, hook that into our solar box and we be good to go. Alright, turn this on. Boom, boom. Boom. Then let's see how much you're pulling in. About 150 at the moment. Up 200, 225, 230. So usually take a couple seconds for it to ramp up and start pulling in as much as it's going to pull in. Look like we just above 230 for right now. So that's how quick it takes me to start pulling in some power. Go ahead and leave a like. Got any questions, hit up the comment box. I'm gonna have to do some more videos on solar panels, solar power box, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. Peace out for now, squad.